Hi, I'm Karen from Fort Erie, Ontario. Canadian Tire sent me this Vermont Casting Basting Set to review. It's pre-seasoned, so you can use it right away after a quick warm water rinse and dry. Because it's cast iron, you can put it on the barbecue or stove to keep sauces warm, hot, and the hollowed out handle cradles the basting brush. I have a love-hate relationship with the mop. It's great for slathering onto ribs, etc. However, I prefer a brush for the smaller areas and crevices of, say, a steak. It's got a lid to keep out the bits and bugs and to keep the sauce warm. All in all, I would recommend the Vermont Basting Set to family and friends.